transitioning from the social hubs into the secluded sanctuary of the private quarters. The unwavering commitment to sophistication within this modern, elegant luxury mansion becomes strikingly evident. Every hallway in this section of the luxury mansion serves as a gallery of refined taste. Leading you towards sleeping quarters that feel more like private villas than standard bedrooms. It is within these quiet corridors that the true essence of a luxury mansion is revealed, a harmonious blend of high-end privacy and aesthetic perfection that ensures the owners feel a sense of tranquility that only a modern, elegant luxury mansion of this caliber can provide. The primary suite, often referred to as the crown jewel of the luxury mansion, is a masterclass in indulgence. Within the master wing of this luxury mansion, you are greeted by a span-spied ensuite featuring heated stone floors, a freestanding soaking tub carved from a single block of marble, and rain showers that redefine the morning routine. Adjacent to this is the boutique-style walk-in closet. A sprawling space within the luxury mansion designed with custom LED-lit cabinetry and velvet-lined displays that rivaled the flagship stores of the world's most elite fashion houses. This level of detail confirms that every inch of the modern, elegant luxury mansion was built to cater to a lifestyle of absolute distinction. Beyond the living quarters, the entertainment profile of this luxury mansion reaches legendary proportions. From the acoustically perfected subterranean cinema room hidden in the lower depths of the luxury mansion to the breathtaking infinity-edge pool that appears to spill into the horizon, this property offers a suite of amenities that cater to every imaginable desire. Whether you are hosting a gala or enjoying a quiet evening, this luxury mansion provides the perfect backdrop for every occasion. By the conclusion of this cinematic tour, you will understand why this specific luxury mansion stands as the ultimate benchmark for 21st century living, successfully redefining grandeur for a new generation of discerning homeowners who seek nothing less than the extraordinary in a modern, elegant luxury mansion. As we depart from the grand social atriums and venture deep into the secluded, high-security sanctuary of the private living quarters, the absolute devotion to world-class craftsmanship within this modern, elegant luxury mansion becomes undeniably clear. Each sprawling corridor of this luxury mansion has been curated to function as a private art gallery. where soft ambient lighting and rare textures guide you toward personal suites that transcend the concept of a bedroom to become expansive, self-contained villas. It is precisely within these hushed, prestigious hallways that the soul of a true luxury mansion reveals itself, offering a seamless fusion of impenetrable privacy and avant-garde beauty that grants the inhabitants a level of peace only a modern, elegant luxury mansion of this monumental scale can offer. The primary residential wing stands as the undisputed heart of the home, a space often hailed as the crown jewel of the entire luxury mansion. Entering the master wing of this luxury mansion is like entering a five-star retreat, where you are greeted by a spa-inspired ensuite sanctuary complete with radiant heated rare stone flooring, a sculptural soaking tub meticulously hand-carved from a monolithic marble block. And sensory rain showers that completely transform a daily routine into a ritual of renewal. Positioned just steps away is the professional-grade boutique-style walk-in closet, massive, climate-controlled vault within the luxury mansion featuring custom-integrated LED displays and velvet-lined cabinetry designed to showcase haute couture collections in a setting that surpasses the flagship boutiques of Paris and Milan. Such uncompromising attention to detail serves as a constant reminder that every square inch of this modern, elegant, luxury mansion was engineered for a life of unparalleled distinction. Moving beyond the residential suites, the entertainment and leisure capabilities of this luxury mansion elevate the property into a realm of legendary status. From the sound-assaulated subterranean cinema room, an architectural marvel tucked into the lower levels of the luxury mansion featuring 4K laser projection, to the gravity-defying infinity-edge pool that seems to merge with the distant horizon. This estate provides a collection of amenities that satisfy the most extravagant desires, whether the day calls for a high-profile gala on the terrace or a quiet, reflective evening in the lounge. This luxury mansion provides an atmospheric backdrop of total perfection. By the time we conclude this immersive cinematic experience, it will be obvious why this specific luxury mansion is regarded as the definitive standard for contemporary living, successfully redefining grandeur for a new era of elite homeowners who demand the extraordinary from their modern, elegant luxury mansion. leaving the soaring, light-filled social chambers behind to explore the innermost sanctum of the residence. The obsessive attention to artisanal excellence found throughout this modern, elegant luxury mansion is nothing short of breathtaking. Every wide-reaching gallery and corridor within this luxury mansion has been intentionally designed to evoke the feeling of a high-end museum. Utilizing atmospheric recessed lighting and exotic finishes to usher you toward personal living quarters that function as individual self-sufficient villas rather than mere suites. It is in these quiet, highly exclusive wings of the luxury mansion that the true identity of the home is felt, a flawless marriage of absolute seclusion and cutting-edge design that provides an aura of serenity only achievable within a modern, elegant luxury mansion of such immense architectural significance. The master residential wing serves as the soul of the estate, widely recognized as the most prestigious accomplishment of this entire luxury mansion. Stepping into the primary master wing of this luxury mansion feels akin to checking into a world-class wellness retreat, where guests are met with a spa-level bathroom featuring custom-heated slabs of rare onyx, a monolithic soaking tub hand-sculpted from a single piece of volcanic stone. And immersive rain showers that redefine the very concept of luxury. Located just beyond the sleeping area is a monumental boutique-inspired dressing room, a vast, climate-controlled treasure chest inside the luxury mansion, boasting bespoke glass displays and velvet-trimmed wardrobes that dwarf the elegance of the most famous fashion houses on Rodeo Drive. This relentless pursuit of perfection ensures that every corner of the modern, elegant luxury mansion is a testament to a life of extraordinary achievement. Transcending the private quarters, the leisure and recreational features of this luxury mansion push the boundaries of residential engineering into the realm of the legendary. From the vibration-dampened subterranean movie palace, a technical masterpiece hidden within the foundation of the luxury mansion, to the glass-walled infinity pool that appears to float effortlessly above the landscape. This property offers a curated menu of amenities that exceed even the most imaginative requirements. Whether you are hosting an international gala on the sprawling terraces or enjoying a moment of silence in the glass-walled lounge, this luxury mansion creates a scenic environment of absolute flow. As this visual journey concludes, it becomes undeniably clear that this luxury mansion is the new gold standard for high-end living, successfully redefining grandeur for a modern elite who seek the pinnacle of a modern, elegant luxury mansion. The primary residential wing functions as the spiritual heart of the property, standing as the most technically advanced and visually stunning achievement of the entire luxury mansion. Crossing the threshold into the master wing of this luxury mansion is indistinguishable from entering a world-renowned wellness sanctuary, where inhabitants are pampered by a master ensuite featuring radiant heated slabs of exotic onyx. A gravity-defying soaking tub precision carved from a single prehistoric volcanic monolith, and multi-sensory hydrotherapy showers that elevate daily grooming into a high-art ritual. Situated immediately adjacent to the sleeping chamber is the monumental boutique-inspired dressing suite. A cavernous, climate-regulated vault within the luxury mansion that showcases bespoke illuminated cabinetry and hand-stitched velvet linings that comfortably surpass the opulence of the world's most famous fashion houses on the Rue du Faubourg Saint.